Before we get into this video, if you think I'm doing this video because I don't get enough likes, that's not it. You know, I care less about likes, but at the same time I would love for you guys to, you know, like this video. Yes. May I give 5 seconds for just hit the like button so we can get this thing started. Alright, so I know you can see by the title of this video, I will be changing my personality to see if I would get more likes. You ask me why me I do this? I don't know. But this is just an experiment to see that, you know, if I would like, you know, dress a certain type of way or, you know, write certain type of caption, if, you know, that I go trigger people for like my pictures more. Because me have picture on Instagram, right? We have a lot of likes. I'm just wondering if I should be like somebody else if I'm going to get the same amount of likes or more. Now, on a regular basis on Instagram, I would get like 800 to 1,000, 1,200 likes on Instagram. That would be like for like a regular picture. If a birthday picture and stuff like that, you know, probably 3,000 likes and them type of likes there. Which, as me say, I'm a business ball likes, but I do this for an experiment. Alright, so the first step is I go find a pants. I find a nice pants, a neat pants, a ripped pants where, you know, will look nice, but at the same time, not just a regular pants. The pants of a sock on. I wear tight pants, yes, but I don't wear it like how other people wear it. Like, you get what I say, but I wear tight pants, but not on a regular basis. So I'm gonna see if my pants can you know, let me get a few likes, you know, upon the picture. So as me say, not just a regular pants, but tight pants, we rip. You get what I say, and well sock on. Let me say well sock on, I mean, you have to use a scannel bag to put it on. Well, I don't have no pants with stay so yet. Not yet. I don't have no pants with stay so. I'm not ever get a pants with stay so. But let me see. Find a nice pants. And the next thing is you want a nice shirt. Like a nice shirt where you know match with the body type or probably match with the pants a little bit. You don't have to really match. You get to me and say, but you get the vibe. Next step is you have to find a nice pair of shoes. Not just any shoes, not just a regular shoes. A nice pair of shoes will have, you know, multicolored, like it have a couple color, it have a red, blue, white and black. Well, not because of that shoes them you got draw for, make me I say that still, but you get the vibe again. Yeah. So the second step, jewelry. You have to make sure say you have some jewelry where you bling. You get what I say, like if you step in a party or you go out, your jewelry shine. Like when the sun shine on it, it shine with the sun. You get what I say, so you want a nice pair of jewelry. You see me? On a Cuban links, this is not a Jamaican links. You see me? So now I need a watch. I don't have no watch to match this chain. Yo. I don't have a watch. Can't borrow it. People, I don't borrow things. I don't borrow people goods. You see me? But I have to borrow this a while ago. Alright, and you already know step 3. Step 3, you know, you just put on your clothes. So forward. You put on your chain, put on your watch, put on your shoes, put on your pants and your shirt. You get to me and say, but one thing you have to forget. When you put on your pants, make sure your pants are sag. If you don't know what sag mean, make sure the pants they're down on your body or under your body. Something like that. But just make sure your pants below your waist. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so basically I'm ready for the photo shoot. You get what I say? But hold on, one more thing. I feel like my ear too simple. I feel like I need something extra. So here what? I do my ear and forward back. See it? How is it? Well, the next thing you have to move like you have bow leg, you know what I mean? You see me? So now for the photo shoot, you see me? Let's go. So step 4 now, what we are going to do now, we are going to make sure say, you go outside, you see me, you find a nice area if you take a picture, you get to me and say a nice little corner, with a nice background, and make sure the picture where you take the background blurry. You know, and if it's not blurry, just make sure you're beside one nice whip, like one nice car. You get to me and say one nice, you know, whip. You know, if you be year one, it can be like your friend, but you just post on it like say a year one. You get to me and say, so make sure you find a nice car, or just a nice background, or an empty field, any one of them places there, and just do a nice photo shoot. After that now, you go through all of the picture them, go through every picture. You might take 20 picture, you have to go through the whole 20 picture and just pick the right picture. You see me, after you pick the right picture, then upload by Instagram. Well, you're not gonna just upload by Instagram, you need a caption. You need a caption, I'm gonna try to find a caption. But the caption, alright, the caption, it can't be just a regular caption. It has to be a caption like, you know, swagging on these bitches, or these bitches can't hold me, or caption. You see me say you want a wicked caption like, this shit's about to be lit. No. Stunning on these bitches. No. And help me with a caption. I got 5 bitches and I ain't worrying about 2. So that means me I worry about 3. If that makes sense. Yeah, I dig for your next caption again. Hold on. I want a caption with hype. You say money, you say my name. Bitch. Yeah, work with that one there. So after that, you know, you post my Instagram. Come back in about, let's say, probably like 5 hours time and see how well the post I do. You see me? For me, you know, when I normally get like 1,000 likes or over 1,000 likes, you know, probably a 10-hour period or a day. You get to me? I say, depending on how I post. You see me? But for a picture like this, I know for sure say, you know, people are going to run with this. I get 1K in a like 3 hours or less. I get 1K in a 3 hours or less. You get what I say? I remember, you know, when I normally get likes are like 1,000 likes to 1,200, 300 in a like a day or 2 times. You see me? So I go save this picture now. I go rank up the likes, like me. The likes them go. So now is 2:57, right? 3 o'clock. So I go check back by, let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So by 7 o'clock tonight, I go check back the likes them and see how far it is. And see if it really, you know, because of the change of personality, the change of caption, how my dress, is it me to change the watch. I go see if it really, you know, can make it get more likes. So I check back in a 5 hours time. I remember in a like 10 hour or a day or something, I get 1,000 to 1,300 likes. So I go check it back a little more. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes, you get to me and say, and I already got 3 comments already. You see me? Somebody say rough. You see me? Somebody say go get them cuz, which is my cousin. You see me? And just get the next comment say grimy. You see me? Rivalda underscore that 7, which I'm a family. You see me? Input a fire emoji. So I currently have, let me see what I go on now. 50 likes already in 5 minutes. But just I check on the comments them. You see me, I'm gonna check the comments them and see what I go on. Hold on. Bricks comment people, right? And Bricks say, look like you wake up on the next side of the bed, bro. People, just for show you. Just for sure you say, this are not me. You see me from Bricks comment, it is supposed to know, say, yo, you know, Bricks supposed to say, yo, something off. I want the Jnel. You see me, but that a little update still, but, you know, as me say, I'm not going to tell you how much likes it reach or nothing at all, so, little more, we don't know what going on. Alright peeps, so it's been 5 hours, right? Well, almost 5 hours, but just call it 5 hours. You see me, so, I'm going to check on it now, I'm going to check the likes and comments and see how well the post do. Alright, so I'm seeing 915 likes. You know, reach 1,000 yet, but that's pretty good for like 5 hours. Almost 5 hours. Comparing to the 10 to 15 hours where normally take for go like 1,000. You see me? So I go through the comments them now. Cause I know say based off of the likes that I see, you know, people actually, you know, wonder what the hell are going on. So alright, let me see now. The first comment, who give you that pose, yeah, sir? Nobody give me that pose, yeah. You see me, I just me with the rich pose. You know? Alright, so next comment, when you see that one I already still, but Bricks I say, yo, look like you wake up on the next side of the bed, bro. Meaning, you don't know what that means, meaning that something wrong. How comes Jnel I put out them picture? You're not Jnel this. You see me, a lot of people I say fire. You see me, a lot of people I say fire. You know, Rajae I say, yo, it's RR, I say, yo, dot, you know. Dot, as in dot, you know. Somebody say, bro, with 2 fire. You see me, somebody say about weight. You wake up feeling rich and taking wealthy pictures. She mean wealthy pictures. You see me, but that was the whole aim. You see me? Alright, let me see, next comment. Fire, 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 LOL up there. You see me? Somebody say, oh, I go on your son. You see me, from earlier, somebody say, oh, get them cuz. But I comment there now, somebody say, oh, 99 Grammy meds. Just to show you, and my meds that is me, but so we can call it, so we can say, mission accomplished, because although we not reach 1,000 yet, but we actually get 915 likes in 5 hours comparing to 10-15 hours, you see me, or next day. So that was a success. So thank you guys for watching. You done know your boy Jnel. Please remember to like, share, and also subscribe. Hit the like button, people. Hit the like button, cause I bring more banger video like these. Some video were different. You get what I say? So thanks for watching, peeps. You done know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. Well, I'm gonna have a red watch, but I'm out.